Hello everyone, so we are back again with another informative video. So as you all know, a lot of women still rely on pads during their periods. But there are a lot of other sustainable period options available, and one such product is Menstrual Cup. So Menstrual Cup is a very sustainable and easy to use alternative as compared to pads. So there are a lot of benefits if you use Menstrual Cup. The one such advantage is it is environment friendly. Second is reusability. It can be used for a period of about 5 to 10 years. And last but not the least is it is made up of medical grade silicone, which is very much body friendly. Now we will take you to the tutorial of how to use Menstrual Cup in an effective way.
So this is how a menstrual cup looks like. This is called the tail of the menstrual cup, and these are the edges. It has given 2 holes around here which are used to release the vacuum, and along with that a few measurements are also written here in the menstrual cup. So let's see how we can use that. So basically there are various folds. The most common folds which are known are like the C fold or a U fold, and this is how it is done. The another one is the punch down fold. All you have to do is punch it down, and this is how you can insert it. This is called a punch down fold. The another most common fold is the 7 or a triangle fold. This is how it is done, the 7 or a triangle fold. Now let's see how you can insert it. So basically if we go with the punch down fold, you have to punch it down to the bottom, press it hard, and suppose this is where you want to insert it, gently go through the hole and simply it will open it inside the vaginal canal. In case if it doesn't open, all you have to do is you just have to pinch it here and it will open up like this. How simple it is. So let's see how you can remove a menstrual cup. This is how it would look like. All you have to do is slightly go through the edges and slide your fingers towards the top and gently press it to release the airs from the hole, to release the vacuum, and with the help of the 2 fingers slightly pull it down, and this is how it is done.